Alright, so the goal is to get this blue Ethernet cable off the ground like it is, because right now it runs behind all my shit. We have this Netgear Soho Switch Series 24 port Ethernet. Yeah, I'm gonna try to throw this in today, see how it goes. Package pretty nice. Damn, it's like the perfect size. That's awesome. Alright, looks like it just has a power in and 24 out. Perfect. And let's see what else we have. Cable, mounting hardware, some feet. Nice. So that's what we're gonna do. Start taking this apart, gotta shut all these down. Alright, so what I'm thinking about doing is taking down all those and putting the RX 580 rig up on the top right, because that one seems to get the hottest out of all the rigs. So I'm gonna pull all those down right now. All the Ethernet's pulled, all the power lines pulled. I'm going to run this Ethernet cable that's coming from the main house router probably across through these trusses right here over to the network switch up on the top shelf. That's gonna be my plan. All right, here it is. Ethernet cable from the house. Just ran it up this wall to one of those 5-port switches. It runs up, comes across, ends up being right here. It's kind of in the groove of the trusses. So I'm gonna hook up the network switch, top shelf, 2 rigs. They can plug into the PDU on the 2nd shelf and 3rd shelf, and then the bottom shelf will probably be open for the next video of opening those cards I have over there. Alright, so now I'm gonna remove these fans, and I gotta blow them off as well. get these filters out. Alright, that's what we got. Little vents. It's screen, just so no bugs or anything comes through, and the filters are just for pollen and all the bullshit. Okay, filters back in place. Now I just gotta screw in the top mounts. Basically all these do is just hold the filter against the wall so there's no space in between. Alright, so we got all the filters reinstalled. Put all the screws on each bracket. Got the AAA PDUs on the shelves and the new network switch up on the top. Now what we're going to do is go into the garage and clean the units. Rigs are all up and running. Everything seems pretty smooth. Network switch seems to be working great. Let me know what you guys think. If you want to see another video, leave it in the comments below. Thanks everybody and have a great day.